In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account and use its powerful features to elevate your marketing efforts. Let's dive right in and start by setting up your Mailchimp account. First, you'll need to visit Mailchimp's website and sign up. Make sure to provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to fill in some basic details about yourself and your business to get your account up and running. Once your account is active, it's time to set up your audience. Mailchimp automatically creates an audience for you when you sign up, but you can customize it based on your specific needs. To import contacts, gather your existing contact list and import it into Mailchimp. You can do this by uploading a CSV or Excel file, copying and pasting from a spreadsheet, or syncing with your existing services. Carefully review your imported contacts to ensure everything looks good. Now that your audience is set, let's move on to designing sign-up forms. This step is crucial as it captures new subscribers and builds your list. Mailchimp offers customizable sign-up form templates, which you can find under the Audience tab. Choose a design template that aligns with your brand's aesthetics. You can add your own logo, adjust colors, and include any fields you think are necessary to gather the right customer data. With your sign-up forms ready, you can now create campaigns using Mailchimp's extensive range of templates. Head to the Campaigns tab where you can start crafting your message. Pick a template that suits the style of your email. You'll have options ranging from simple layouts to more complex designs, so choose one that best represents your brand's voice and message. To make your emails feel personal, use merge tags. These are placeholders that can pull in personalized data such as your recipient's first name or the last product they viewed. It creates a personal touch, making your campaigns much more effective. Before you hit send, it's important to test your emails. Mailchimp allows you to preview how your email will look in different devices and email clients. You can also send test emails to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything appears just right. Review carefully for any typos or errors one last time. After sending your emails, your next step is analyzing reports. Mailchimp provides comprehensive reports that show you engagement rates, click rates, and other valuable data. Regularly review these metrics to measure your success and optimize future campaigns based on the data.